Hello, fellow adventurers. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your career dreams into reality in a different country? Well, picture this: waking up to rolling green hills, pristine beaches, and a job that's waiting just for you. Sounds too good to be true. Stick around because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to find accredited employer work opportunities in New Zealand without any of the guesswork. Here's the thing, not every New Zealand employer is allowed to hire overseas talent. And that's where the Employer Accreditation Check Tool comes in clutch. Okay, it's like your personal backstage pass to make sure you're dealing only with companies who's been given the all clear by the immigration of New Zealand. Think of it as a safety net protecting you from making costly mistakes and dashing your hopes. What exactly is this magical tool? Simply put, it's an online database maintained by Immigration New Zealand (INZ). Employers who want to bring in overseas workers must prove they meet strict standards, good working conditions, fair pay, support for immigrants, the lot. Once they've passed the muster, they earn accreditation. And you get peace of mind that your new boss is playing by the rules. Let me walk you through it. It takes less than a minute, okay? What you need to do is head on over to the INZ website and locate Employer Accreditation Check Tool. Next, you type in the company name or the New Zealand business number, that's the NZBN, and then you hit search, and voila, you instantly see whether they're accredited. So now, no more guesswork, no more endless email chains asking HR if they know what they're doing. You just get instant clarity. You might be wondering, all right, is this tool for me? Short answer, absolutely. If you're eyeing any of these visas, the Accredited Employer Work Visa, AEWV, Straight to Residence Visa, the Care Workforce Work to Residence Visa, or any of the Skilled Migrant pathways. And here's a bonus. If you're already living in New Zealand on a different visa and want to switch jobs, same drill. It's your go-to check before you hand in your resignation. Hold on, wait, pause. Before you rush off applying, here are my top tips. Check daily, okay? The database updates every 24 hours, so make checking it a part of your morning routine. Yeah. Number two, no listing, don't panic. Some accredited employers opt out of public listings. If they don't appear, simply ask them directly. Honesty from the horse's mouth. Number three, keep evidence. Screenshot the accreditation status just in case you need to prove it later. Trust me, a little extra diligence now saves you a world of stress later. So, fun fact, one of us in the community nearly missed out on their dream nursing role because the company wasn't accredited. They only spotted it when I reminded them to run the check tool. Okay, so we switched applications in time, and 2 months later, they were, living their best life. Are you ready to take the plunge? Well, you need to do your due diligence and see that you use the Employer Accreditation Check Tool. Do your due diligence. If you found this video helpful, well, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insider travel career tips, and share it with a friend who needs that extra nudge. Until next time, safe travels and good luck.